Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 66. Alda. Alda. Our word for today, Alda, is an action word or a verb which means to know or understand. The word Alda could be divided into two syllables. Alda. Al is formed from the combination of the sounds of a, real, and a no-sound ian at the first position of the syllable, while da is formed from the combination of the sounds of dikat and a. Alda. The word Alda is usually transformed into the word arayo, which is used to respond or say, I know. Arayo is simply the present tense form of Alda. So how is Alda transformed into arayo? We will be using the same method. We will remove da from the root verb Alda, leaving behind al or al. And since the last vowel sound of al or r is a, we will be adding ayo. The rule for present tense verb is if the last vowel sound of the verb stem is a or o, we will add ayo. But if the last vowel sound of the verb stem is not a or o, we will be adding oyo. And again, for the case of the remaining verb al or r, which has a last vowel sound of a, we will be adding ayo to al. And therefore, we have arayo, which is the present tense form of Alda. And therefore, the meaning of the phrase arayo is simply, I know. And with that, you've just learned Alda. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 56 to 65. But don't forget, our word for today is Alda. This is a root verb which means to know or understand. Word or phrase number 65 is kwenchen sumnida, and this is a formal way of saying it's okay. Word number 64 is kwenchana, and this is an informal way of saying it's okay. Word number 63 is usta. This is another root verb which means to smile or laugh. Word number 62 is masita. This is another root verb which means to drink. Word number 61 is mocta. This is another root verb which means to eat. Word number 60 is gabshida. This is a formal way of saying let's go. Word number 59 is kacha, and this is an informal way of saying let's go. Word number 58 is ulda. This is another root verb which means to cry. Word number 57 is hada. This is another root verb which means to do. And word number 56 is kada. This is another root verb which means to go. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.